Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the volume of the biggest sphere which can fit in a cube of side 4r. So we have this cube whose side is 4r. The biggest sphere that can fit in this has diameter of 4r. Observe. This will be diameter 4r. Biggest sphere that can fit in this cube has diameter equal to 4r, therefore radius will be equal to 2r. We know the volume of cube is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is radius. So we have volume of cube as 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2r whole cube equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8r cube. So this is going to be 88 into 8, which is equal to 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64 plus 6 is 70, 21 r cube. This is going to be cubic units, which is equal to, with this division we have 21 3s are 63, 7 4, so we have again 21 3s are 63, 11. Now we have a decimal point here. 21 5s are 105. We'll take another 0 here. 21 2s are 42. So 21 3s are, so we'll stop at 2 digits after decimal point and we are left with 33.52 r cube cubic units. So we get volume of not cube, the sphere as 33.52 r cube cubic units. This is the answer.